This is Self Haircuts by Dane, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to do a lineup. I added this one step to my routine, and it made such a difference on my lineups, and I want to share it with you guys today. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and I make self haircutting and grooming content for men. So I've been cutting my hair for 5+ years now, and this is not something I've ever thought to do. No one has really ever told me to do this up until about a week ago. I posted a lineup video on a different platform, and someone in the comments said, listen, wipe your hairline down with alcohol before you start cutting it, and it'll make a huge difference. And let me tell you, a huge difference. For someone who cuts their hair every week, I felt it immediately. Immediately. And it makes sense, right? I mean, you're wiping down the area, you're cleaning the area, you're removing any of the oil from the area so that the trimmers can catch the hair seamlessly, right? And it made a big difference. Enjoy the rest of the video. Like anything else, whenever I learn new tips and tricks, I like to pass them along if they work, only if they work. And this one works. So let me know what you guys think. Enjoy.
Yes, sir. I like that.